Welcome to our Smap3D plant design application demo video using so-called JACOB pipes, modular pipe systems manufactured by the German company JACOB Rohrsysteme for transporting bulk materials, powders, chips, air or gases. Typically, JACOB pipes are made of galvanized steel, stainless steel or powder-coated steel. Typical applications include extraction systems, conveyor systems, dust extraction systems, air ducts, and bulk material pipelines. In this video, we use Smap3D plant design with Inventor as an example to show how to realize a pipeline planning with JACOB pipes. We have prepared an assembly with 6 funnels and 3 containers and will now create a new 3D sketch to implement the attachment of these pipes. By creating a new 3D sketch, we can use native Inventor 3D sketching commands to draft the approximate position of our new pipeline. We interrupt the pipeline at each segment or at each point where we want to insert an elbow later, and we will finish the sketch next to the funnel using native Inventor commands and connections to adjust it and connect it concentrically to our funnel outlet. We use Inventor sketch points to check we've got the right positioning for our angle pieces, and we use native Inventor dimensioning tools to make sure the length of our angle piece matches the requirements of the 3D part. Next, we take an angle dimension to ensure that the angle in the sketch is exactly 15 degrees so that it fits the parts we want to place later. Now we want everything to be parallel or connected to the plane so that everything is fine inline and flush. We do the same dimensioning work at the upper end. Finally, we want to add a concentric reducer. For this, we need an additional offset of 150 millimeters. When we are done with our sketch work and every segment is correctly dimensioned or positioned, we return to our Smap3D piping menu and generate the 3D path. Once this is done, we need to assign a pipe specification and a diameter. All pre-selected parts are now automatically taken from our 3D library and placed on our sketch line. Smap3D piping has now placed all sketch segments, fittings and the concentric reducer, elbows and clipping rings. All straight segments in between have been converted into straight pipes. Let's take a quick look at the second sample assembly with 6 pipeline paths. We also select them and let Smap3D piping do its magic work. Once finished, again all pipes are placed according to our sketch line, as well as elbows, branches, concentric reducers and clamping rings. Thank you for watching this Smap3D application video using Smap3D piping and Inventor with JACOB pipes. For further information, please visit our website at www.smap3d.com/en.